For those who need a reliable cutting tool, the CRKT Bugsy fixed blade knife is a must-have. This knife features a curved 1095 carbon steel edge, sculpted micarta handles, and an intriguing forward swedge. Despite its compact size of less than 7.5 inches in total length, the Bugsy feels remarkably solid in hand, thanks to its thick blade stock and wide handle slabs. The finger grooves and wide spine provide a natural grip, locking all the curved surfaces into your hand. It also comes with a leather sheath for secure retention. While it is a bit pricey at $200, the quality and craftsmanship make it worth the investment. Let's not forget the Vessel Flask, part insulated flask, part Bluetooth speaker. This innovative product is designed for good times, featuring vacuum-sealed insulation to keep your beverage at the desired temperature for up to 5 hours for hot drinks and 10 hours for cold drinks. The removable cap doubles as a carabiner, making it easy to clip to your backpack or gear. The bottom of the flask houses a fully integrated weatherproof Bluetooth speaker, providing up to 5 hours of playtime. Charge it via a simple USB cable and enjoy your favorite tunes while sipping your drink. The best part? You can carry this 9 by 2 inch speaker flask anywhere without drawing attention until you start drinking from what looks like a speaker, that is. Introducing a sleek and powerful portable electric kettle that is set to revolutionize your on-the-go cooking experience. With a robust 500 watt output, this kettle can boil water in just 5 minutes. But it does not stop at hot drinks. The JOULLE kettle features an eat function, allowing for continuous cooking, perfect for simmering stews or preparing hot pot. If you are in the mood for a movie night, the pop function effortlessly makes fresh, crispy popcorn. With a preset temperature range of 356 to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, you can customize your popcorn to perfection, adding your favorite seasonings or gourmet toppings. Priced at just $99, the JOULLE kettle is a must-have for any camping enthusiast or anyone looking to upgrade their portable cooking gear. Say goodbye to uneven ground and unwanted critters with this innovative tree tent. Combining the comfort of a hammock with the spaciousness of a tent, it can comfortably sleep 3 adults or 2 adults and 2 children. Ideal for a variety of adventurers, this tent includes 3 heavy-duty straps with ratchet buckles, keeping you safely suspended 4 feet off the ground. Setup takes only about 15 minutes, and it features a waterproof rainfly to keep you dry and a no-see-um mesh to keep insects at bay. If needed, it can also be pitched on dry ground, making it versatile for any camping situation. For your next camping trip, consider this portable fire pit. Combining modern design with robust materials, the Pyro portable campfire pit features a unique perforated stainless steel combustion chamber that ensures excellent airflow for a clean and complete combustion. The top fire screen is easily removable for a traditional open campfire experience and allows the use of large pieces of wood. With the optional grill kit, you can quickly transform the fire pit into a versatile cooktop. Perfect for preparing your favorite outdoor meals using wood or charcoal. Its lightweight yet durable construction makes it easy to transport, and the removable solid stainless steel base catches falling ash and debris for easy cleanup. Photographers and videographers will love the Lancer 300. This modular backpack with an exoskeleton design makes carrying your gear effortless. It includes a detachable 300 watt-hour power station powered by solar, a drone bag, and a hands-free extendable tripod. With a 24-liter capacity, it can hold 5 lenses and 2 cameras, recharging your camera up to 15 times and a laptop up to 5 times. For those who want to camp with a touch of luxury, the Salty Barrel is the world's first wood-fired or barbecue gas-powered hot tub. Weighing only 20 kilos, it's easy to transport and set up anywhere. Just add water and wood, and you can enjoy a hot tub experience off the grid, whether on a mountainside or by the beach. The Salty Barrel can comfortably hold 3 adults. Experience the ultimate convenience of camping with the Altitude Rooftop tent. This innovative tent allows you to set up camp right on your car's roof, providing a comfortable and elevated sleeping space wherever you park. The tent features a self-setup mechanism, making it easy to deploy and pack down automatically. It includes a 70mm thick mattress and ample bedding storage, ensuring a cozy night's sleep. The Altitude Rooftop tent is compatible with various bar and rack systems as well as aluminum roof rails and is powered by your car's 12-volt system. All necessary mounting hardware is included, making installation a breeze. With this tent, you can camp anywhere your vehicle can go, eliminating the need to prepare a traditional campsite. Simply park, set up, and enjoy a restful night under the stars. The Dometic CFX3 75. DZ is a rugged yet stylish cooling solution perfect for any adventure. Featuring dual storage compartments with independent temperature settings, it can keep snacks both chilled and frozen. This battery-powered cooler has a 75-liter capacity, fitting up to 113 cans, making it ideal for family getaways. You can easily set the desired temperatures directly on the cooler's built-in interface or via the accompanying app, which works with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for performance monitoring. The CFX3 can be charged via an AC or DC port or by solar energy, and even comes with a USB charger to keep your other smart devices running. Introducing the Princeton Tec Helix, a versatile tripod-like lantern perfect for any camping adventure. Weighing just 5.4 ounces and compact enough to fit in your pocket, this lantern is ideal for wild camping. When expanded, it emits a powerful glow, perfect for illuminating your tent. The innovative swipe pad allows you to easily turn the light on and off and adjust the brightness from 150 lumens down to a softer 30 lumens. You can also set it to flashing or red mode. The lantern section can be detached and used as a torch. It is water resistant and rechargeable via micro USB, with a burn time of 6 hours on high and white mode and 18 hours on low, or 7 hours on high and red mode and 22 hours on low. Its small size, tough design, and versatility make the Princeton Tec Helix a must-have for avid campers. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.